River's watching closely as the dogs play, deciding if it's appropriate play. That's how they play. It's okay. Play, play. Play nice. Say play nice. That's how doggies play. They're talking to each other. Petey. Petey. He says he doesn't like the vocalizations. You got to tell him quiet mouth. That's how doggies play. Harley. Harley, follow. He wants you to come to him. Good luck with that. There's food out. He ain't gonna follow you anywhere. Are the dogs allowed to play? The dogs are playing. Cat says he's watching. He's watching the doggies play. Big doggies play. They play rough. Up, you watching to make sure they're okay? Say Petey. Is everything okay? You okay with the way they're playing? Mr. Mayor. You watching too?
Petey.